This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Goodbye, Berlin. Hello, Vienna. I'm in the Berlin airport right now, about to head to Vienna, Austria to go paint some more. Pretty excited about that. Berlin was amazing. Now it's on to the next one. Linked up with DeadBeatHero. Finally made it. Vienna, here we come. About to start painting and whew. That thing is sweet. Candy painted Corvette. And it says Tux. Yeah. Pancake soup. Y'all don't know about pancake soup. Yeah, the homies. We had some Wiener Schnitzel, right? Wiener Schnitzel. Now we're checking out the Soon Art Studio. This guy runs and this lady runs. So let's check this thing out. Sick. This is where we're doing our meet and greet, right?
Yeah. This work kind of like pretty much based on my first trips to Europe. I would ride on trains a lot, and every time I would like draw just the people's hands on trains because they were always on their cell phones. So I would always see them like this, so I could never draw their face. So I just started drawing their hands in a circle, and I would put these in these masks. I would use the patterns from like the seats and whatever was around. Look at the stash we got here, man.
The cart is so clutch. So we just need like a couple of sketch colors, right? Got some golden.
Yeah, golden.
We back in the building, baby.
Yeah, I didn't realize they had like different series depending on how
expensive they are.
Yeah, for the background.
Nice. Hopefully that's enough.
Oh, I got you some gloves, some G-Loves, so you don't have to get your nails dirty.
I always paint without gloves. All right, we got a few spray paint colors in there. Got a pole. Got some bucket paint. So we're gonna go down to this wall, do the first little baby steps in this mural process in Vienna, Austria. 2019, 1000, DeadBeatHero in the building. We're about to rock this shit, so stay tuned. So we have made it to the wall. This is what we're painting. This sweet market wall, bigger than we thought from the photos. What do you think, man?
We're ready to rock this shit.
Yeah, and I think DeadBeatHero is gonna teach me some new tactics on a doodle grid. I'm gonna try that for the first time. And we did not bring a ladder. And I forgot my tripod. Yeah, dude, you look really small next to that wall. We thought it was gonna be our height. This is for the Calle Libre Street Art Festival. Welcome artists, visitors, and friends. I'm an artist, a visitor, and a friend. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this amazing neighborhood in Vienna. What's this neighborhood called, dude? Do you know?
Floresdorf.
Floresdorf,
like Florida.
Oh. Floresdorf. You got a ladder. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. It's tall enough to do the sketch.
Just for the sketch, it's fine.
We can do some green screen stuff here. Just shoot me against that background.
Just with explosions behind you.
Yeah. So we doodle gridded up this wall. Now we're gonna use some sweet technology to superimpose our concept art onto the doodle grid. So yeah, we're superimposing this concept art onto the wall. What do you think it's been? 2 hours? Still sketching. I'm kind of going slow, getting used to this doodle grid. Looks crazy. Let's get this thing finished. All right, so this crazy monstrosity is our sketch. It's looking rough. This lady walked by earlier and she just saw our scribbles and she just like had the most disgusted look on her face. She just walked by and she was like, we were like, thank you. So I think we're gonna pack it up for the night because it's getting pretty dark and we got a rough sketch up on the wall. Calle Libre. Try to make the best thing we can. That's what we do. Catch you later. All right, we are back at it for day 2 on this Calle Libre mural, the mural festival in Vienna. Rob painted some background on here. It's really bright blue, looking super cool. I need to get a ladder, finish kind of sketching out my main lady's face. I'm ready. Boom, let's go. The biggest lesson that I took away from my whole European tour is just how awesome collaboration is. It's so awesome having another artist there that you can depend on. It keeps it way more fun, way more entertaining and interesting. As a matter of fact, when I got back to the United States and painted my first solo mission, I was super bummed out. I was like, where's the homies? Where's the friends and the good times? And DeadBeatHero is a great collaborator with lots of amazing information to share and just a cool new homie. day. Got some characters going. It's looking pretty cool. Calle Libre brought us some food, so we're gonna have a little snack break and stare at the mural. But Vienna's awesome. People are really friendly at this location. They're bringing us fresh strawberries and food and coffee and big buckets of drinks, and yeah, it's rad. Having a great time. And there's that guy. He's got napkins.
Stacking that paper, son.
That's good, man. We can use those to wipe our brushes off and stuff too.
Our asses, because it swallows the shit.
Oh!
Damn.
Dropping the bars, son. Durham. This dude is napkined out. He's ready to roll. First person, Durham.
My name is DeadBeatHero. I am a street artist living in Vienna, Austria. It wasn't like a plan to move to Vienna. I just wanted to move to Europe. Every time I would come to Europe, I felt so much more inspired here. I don't know what it was. I decided to move to Vienna because I knew some people that were here, started helping out in their galleries and stuff. And yeah, 5 years later, now I have my own gallery. I would say my style is very like comic book inspired. I kind of grew up with comic books in my hand like most people did, but my father was in the army, so we moved around the US quite a bit, so I kind of grew up everywhere. There's no like easy way to keep in touch with your friends, so I just kind of made my own friends through comics, you know, like Spider-Man was like my good friend. I know it sounds really lame, but I would just always read these comics and I was like redrawing these characters and creating my own characters, and this is basically how I taught myself how to draw. I still kind of use the same style for like my street art and stuff. I just love the story that like a still 2D image can give.
Super killer day of painting. DeadBeatHero.
Gotta get that energy up.
At the end of the day, he's gonna be a beat and dead hero. Making progress. Starting to look like something. Finally, the old ladies have stopped yelling at us.
We're actually a little bit happy.
It doesn't just look like garbage anymore. That's the hardest part about painting murals. It's like art always looks really bad until it looks really good. It's like there's just this one turning moment. You have to just put that horribleness on display for everyone to see so that you can get to the goodness.
You have to cook it a little bit, and then when it's nice and sauteed, then it's for public consumption after that.
But it makes you work faster because you're like, it's like having your dirty laundry out in the street. You're like, let me just make this look good quick. Packing up, end of day 1, painting. I guess it's more like day 2 or day 3, depending on how you look at it.
Depending on what happened.
But yeah, we made some good progress today. We're just packing things up, and then we're gonna hit it tomorrow and try and knock this thing out. Have to knock this thing out.
We'll knock it out, no question.
I gotta head to Lynn's next and paint a big old crazy 3-story thing, which is gonna be exciting. And I've learned some things on this mural that I'm gonna apply to the next one from this seasoned veteran over here. So, see you tomorrow. Wow. Day 3, final day of the mural. Gotta get it done. It's looking good so far. And the community is pretty hyped. It's in this part of town where there's like literally no street art. It's more like old school Vienna, right? Like more,
yeah,
maybe a little bit more chill and conservative. Is that true?
Yeah, I think so. It's a little outside the city centers. You don't get a whole lot of street art action there.
But people are loving it. We're stopping traffic. We've had crowds all day. Some people hate it. But the person who just the first day was just so angry and like coming by and yelling at us, now she's like smiling and we're giving her tea and stuff. So I think we changed her mind. Mostly this guy because he's the one who speaks German, but we're just on our way down there, ready to paint. It's about 9 a.m. So let's see how far we can get. Finish this thing. By the time I had reached this point, this was my 6th mural in a row, back to back, no breaks. The only time that I wasn't painting was when I was flying and I was in airports and traveling, and I was getting a little bit tired. But that's when you just have to step back and remind yourself, wait a second, dude, you're traveling across Europe, collaborating with amazing artists, living your dream, doing exactly what you love to do, getting sponsored by a huge company like Squarespace to do this whole thing. And I just had to step back for a second and appreciate how amazing this whole adventure was. And then I felt really good and just enjoyed the ride. Libre? What's your name, man?
Jacob.
How long has Calle Libre been going on?
It's the 6th year.
How many artists are in this festival this year?
It's 14 artists.
And are you very, very stressed right now?
Yeah, I'm pretty busy.
Do a highlight, bro.
Highlight it?
Highlight it up. We got time. So I think we're done. My regular camera is out of batteries, so I'm shooting this on the GoPro. The GoPro is almost out of batteries. We're just blazing through paint, blazing through batteries. Rob is still working.
I can highlight everything.
He's like, just keep throwing highlights on there. We got the professional in the building, putting me to shame. Got some fans from the YouTube channel. Woo! Make some noise! Yeah, it's been a super fun one. Feeling super good about it. The neighborhood is super pumped. But now it's time to go do that meet and greet at Soon Studio. We're gonna do a print release and meet some people. We opened to Soon Studio.
Open soon.
Getting ready for the party tonight. We're gonna sign some samples here. The Artist Press. Ooh, DeadBeatHero. So yeah, I made this illustration right here and sent it to DeadBeatHero. And then based off of this one, he made a companion, which is this one. And they look pretty rad together. This awesome piece by DeadBeatHero. It could be yours for only 10,000 euros. Just kidding, make us an offer, we'll sell it. These prints were another super fun way for me and Rob to collaborate. Limited edition giclée prints, there's only 25 of each of them. And as a matter of fact, you can get them on Rob's Etsy page right now. And especially for my European subscribers who often hit me up about the expensive international shipping costs, you can get them from Rob, who lives in Europe, so it'll cost you less money to have them shipped to Europe. So check that out if you feel like it. Taking a little break from the meet and greet. Already met like, I don't know, like 10 people who watch the YouTube channel, which is like super random. In Vienna, meeting people who watch my videos. I've never had a meet and greet before and I never really knew what to expect, but it's super rad. I'm like thousands of miles away from my home and meeting people who watch my videos is like such a trip. This is Matthew and Augie. They're from Serbia. They're traveling in Vienna right now. Matthew actually sent in some art for that art prompt I did a while ago. What do you guys want to say? What do you want to say to YouTube?
I'm so happy that I met you, and
I'm happy to meet you too, bro. Thanks for coming through.
no problem.
Thanks for coming through. Yeah! Serbia in the building. Well, we're just about done, but this whole European tour could not have happened without my awesome sponsor. I just wanted to take a moment to let you know that this video and this whole European tour is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace empowers millions of dreamers, makers, and doers by giving them the creative tools that they need to bring their vision to life. I love Squarespace. I've personally been using Squarespace for like, I don't know, 5 years. I've built a ton of websites on Squarespace. My 1000art.com website is built on Squarespace. I love it. I use it, it's awesome. What's so great about it is they have these award-winning templates that are already beautifully designed, so all you have to do is take your awesome content and plug it into their beautiful templates and you're off and running. It's super simple, it's super easy, you don't need to know how to code, you just pop that stuff in there and it looks awesome off the bat, straight away. If you guys want to see a video where I made an entire Squarespace website in like 15 minutes, you can check out this video right here. A few of the things that I love about Squarespace is I can have my entire artist portfolio right there, my paintings, my illustrations, my murals, all kinds of stuff. And then just one click away is my entire e-commerce with my t-shirts and hats and hoodies. Having an online shop is a huge part of my business and a way that I support myself as an artist. They also have award-winning 24/7 customer support. So if you do get a little confused, if you do get a little bit lost, you can just hit them up and they'll help you through with whatever you got going on. It's super easy to either set up or transfer your domain. Like when I first started my Squarespace site, I already had 1000art.com squarespace.com. I just transferred it over to my Squarespace. It was really simple. So when you're ready to start your Squarespace site, go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. See if you like it. See if it's as easy as I say it is, which it is. And then when you're ready to publish, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off your first purchase. Link in the description. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring this European tour, buying me paint, getting me food. You guys are awesome. And yeah, thanks so much, Squarespace. Well, thank you for having me, and thank you for putting this together and for supporting street art. It's awesome.
Thank you for coming. 1000. You really appreciate it. We're happy to have you in Vienna. Come back soon.
Sweet. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, thank you.
But I think this is the finished mural. So check it out. Photo time! This is Lisa. She helped us put this whole thing together along with the Business Improvement Restoration District. What is it called? Thingy. They're like the neighborhood awesome people, so they really helped us out a lot.
Hi.
Hi, thank you so much.
Well done, good job.
Aber die schaut Bombe aus.
Well, I totally forgot to shoot an outro while I was in Vienna, so here I am magically back in my home office in Seattle. This one was super fun. I had such a great time painting with Rob, aka DeadBeatHero. Go follow him on Instagram. He's a super rad dude. Thank you to him for hooking up this wall, letting me stay in his place, and just being an all-around awesome, hospitable dude. And the limited edition prints that we released together are available right now on his Etsy. There's only 25 of each of them. There's a link down in the description for that. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this whole European tour. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Check out my website for a bunch of cool merch. Check out my Patreon if you want to support me. Thank you so much to my patrons. And I'm at 10hun on Instagram if you want to follow along there. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this one. I had a really good time painting this, and I think we changed some minds of some folks in the community who didn't know what to think about a big, weird, crazy, colorful, character-filled mural going up on that wall. In the end, it turned out awesome. Thank you so much to Calle Libre Mural Festival for having me, for having DeadBeatHero. I'll catch you guys on the next one. 1000, peace and out.